With May Day approaching, JCID presents with luxurious gifts to pay homage to all the mobile phone maintenance technicians. Note, it is necessary to connect V1SE and V1SPro to computer with data cable when claiming the prize. Click Repair finding in the interface of JCID Repair Assistant. It can be seen that the device gets one chance for free draw after the device is connected. Click Lottery. Click Start Draw instantly. Close the pop-up window after winning the prize. For users with downloaded JC Drawing on their computer, system will open JC Drawing automatically. Log in the account that needs to be recharged. Click Month, Year Card Recharge. Then click Buy Device. System will identify the SN and prize winning data of the device automatically. Click Recharge. It reminds that the device is recharged successfully. Recharge is done.